Hey, what's up you guys? This is Big Z from the Pinnacle, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to use VBA to hide columns in Excel, okay? Excel columns. People that do not know how to use VBA, you can easily go and select the column and right click on it and you can select hide here. But we're not gonna do that, we're gonna do it through VBA. And in order to do that, we need to summon the Visual Basic Editor, which is right here. So go on Tools, because this is a Mac. Go on Tools, Macro. Under Macro, you're gonna find this selection here, Visual Basic Editor. Just click on it, and ta-da! Just like that, it showed up. So it's here, and we are going to be under the Sheet 2, which is Example, a tab, which is Example right here, and it tells you the all the other tabs that you have, GPA calculator is the other tab, which is sheet 1, and then sheet 3 is sheet 3. You can change the name and stuff if you want, but we're not going to do that. We're going to hide column A, B, and C. Okay, let's hide all of the columns, and then I'll show you how to hide like one column. It's pretty simple. Okay, so we're gonna create a sub procedure. If you don't know what that is, you can look it up. I'm gonna have a link in the comment section so you can take a look at it. Sub hide columns. So let me just name it hide columns. And I'm using camel case here for those of you who are wondering. Oh no, and make sure you have the double brackets here at the end and then here. So we're going to start it. It's pretty simple. You are going to select the range A to C. There you go, A to C dot entire column. See, it showed up, entire column, not entire column, but entire column dot hidden. Where's hidden? Yeah, there you go. Hidden equals true. So this is basically a boolean that says, oh, make sure A to C, these three columns here, 1 2 3, these three columns are hidden. Okay, so what did we get here? Once again, range A to C, entire column dot hidden equals true, and then we're going to end that. Well, the sub is ended already, and then see, it automatically formats itself, and we're going to run it. So I don't know if you can see it. Let me just scroll down a bit. Here, the run sub slash user form here. Just click on it, and bam, see, just like that, they are gone. You see that right here, right? Now we have D, E, F columns. A, B, C is gone. Okay. Now if you want to just hide one column, you can just do this. Well, I mean, in this case, this is already hidden. It won't make any difference here. If you click on, if you run this, it's not gonna work. It's not gonna do anything. Okay, let's make sure that we can see column A to C here. Okay, let's do false first. Not fail, but false here. Range A to C dot entire column dot hidden equals false. Okay, now we're gonna run it again, and all of them showed up. All these three columns are back, baby. Okay, now you're just gonna hide column A. How are you gonna do that? Like just change the C to A here basically, and there everything. Oh no, and this one, make sure the boolean is set to true. True. Okay, there you go. True, and then bam, just like that. Column A is gone. See that? Yeah, so that's what it is. It's pretty simple. Like, this is the sub, and it's basically one line that can make the difference here. And you can change it up. You can do, oh, if you don't want just A, and if you want all the way up until H. See, we have column H here. A to H to be hidden. Just do A to H and true, and then bam, they're gone. So A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. 8 columns are gone here, and we start with I here. Let's go into the Excel sheet here, just so that I can show you. See, it's gone. They're all down here, hidden basically. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H is gone. You want to unhide them? No, what's happening? Okay, here. Okay. You want to unhide? Just go to this sub here and make it false. Make this one to be false. Let's just, and then run it, and bam, all of the columns are back. A, B, C, D, E, F. If I move this guy here, G, H, they're all here. Okay, so it's pretty simple. Make sure you're on the right tab, pretty much, in the when you're typing a code. Sheet 2 example, and then see example. They have to match. You can change their names and stuff, but I'm not gonna go over that here. This is just about hiding columns in Excel. Okay, pretty simple. Hope this makes sense. Any question, comment, let me know. Okay. Otherwise, thank you very much for watching and don't forget to subscribe. Big C out.